Hello everyone, thank you for checking out my app, the One Playlist. So it's basically an app that links YouTube and Spotify media together so you can view them in just a single playlist. So for example, you want to view covers that are only available in YouTube and albums that are only available in Spotify. So with this app, you can view them all in a single app or a playlist without the need to switch between services. So with that, we just need to set up a few things for Spotify since they have limitations with their API, which I use to make this app work. So it's just simple. So first you need to go to this link here, the dashboard, developer dashboard for Spotify. I'll link this down at the description so you don't have to type it yourself. You can just copy paste. So basically, you first need to have a Spotify premium account to be able to access the app. And once you have a Spotify premium account, you just go to this site and log in. So there, once you log in, you will be able to see this dashboard with the list of apps. For you, this should be empty. This is the actual app that I'm using. But once you go to this page, what you want to do is click this create an app button. Then this model will pop up. So you just fill it up with anything. So for example, for mine, I will just put sample app and sample description. So there, then click this checkbox and the create. So once you click create, you'll be sent to this screen. And what you want to do is click this edit settings button. Then paste this exact link to the redirect URIs portion of this screen. So just put this here. So this is the login callback that I'm using for my app. So just put this exact link. I'll be putting this down in the description as well. So then click the add button and then save. Don't forget to click the save button as that's easily missable. So once you do that, then you'll be already ready to use my app. So there, go to this website, theoneplaylist.com. You can also omit this www. It will also work there. But there. Then just click this go to player button or this player button at the top of the screen. So there. Once you click that, you'll be greeted with this playlist manager screen. So what you want to do is click this manage Spotify keys, and this is where you will put the keys that we created earlier. So go back to the dashboard, and here you will see the client ID. So just copy that and paste it in the client ID field. For the client secret, just click this show client secret button. Uh, I suggest you keep this secret since this will be important. Yeah, and this is sensitive information that you might want to keep secret. So for this purposes, this is just a sample, and I will be deleting this app later. So there, what you want to do is copy this client secret and paste it in the client secret field uh, in my app, and then click save. So once you do that, you should be able to log in with Spotify now. So just click the login Spotify button, and then you'll be greeted with this agreement page. So these are just what's needed to make the app work to stream media from Spotify using your account. So just click agree here, and then I'm already logged in, but if you're not, you should be able to see an actual login screen from Spotify. So just log in there, and once you do that, the tab should automatically close, and you'll be able to go back to this screen. So you can confirm that your login worked because this login button will change to a logout button. So once that's already a logout button, you can confirm that Spotify is already linked with the app. So here, there's a button here that you can click to see the which media are supported by the app. So currently, I added here YouTube playlist and individual videos. If you want to add them one by one, you can also do that. And for Spotify, there we just need the login, which we already did. But once you logged in, you can add playlists, albums, and tracks, individual tracks for Spotify. So there. So to add media, you just go to your service. For example, if you want to add YouTube playlist, so just go to YouTube, Then go to the playlist link. So in my case, this is my prepared playlist. So just copy the link from your browser and paste it in this text field. Then click the plus button or press enter. Then you should see the playlist being added here. So you can see this is from YouTube and this is a playlist. So if you added a track, you should see a YouTube track here instead. Then same for Spotify. If you access this through the website, you can just click the playlist and then copy the URL from the browser. Or if you use the Spotify app, so for example, here, this is my app version. There's no URL link. So what you want to do is right click the playlist here and then click share playlist. Or there's also a share button here. If you want albums, which is also supported, you can click the actual album and then share album link. And for individual tracks, you can right click the track and share copy song link. So for this tutorial's purposes, I'll just copy the playlist link and then I'll go back to my app and then paste this link. So there, once you successfully added it, you should see that this is from Spotify and this is a playlist. So you can drag and drop this, so you can rearrange this if you ever want a certain order with your playlist. So you can also rearrange this however you want. So there, I'll just keep it that way. Then I'll click the save button here. And then once we do that, the app should automatically add all your media here from both playlists. So for example, here in my YouTube playlist, there are 82 videos. And for my Spotify playlist, there are 64 songs. So that should total up to 146. So there are 146 media loaded here. And as you can see here in the playlist view, there are some tracks that are from YouTube and some that are from Spotify. So it has been loaded properly, and it has been interleaved with each other. So there, if you want, there's a repeat and shuffle button here, and I also added a dedicated shuffle button here as well. So if you don't want the order, but you don't want the default order, you can shuffle here. And you can also turn off the shuffle and you will see the order that you added it here. So for example, I added YouTube first, so the YouTube tracks will be shown first, then the Spotify will be at the bottom here. Or if I reverse the order and then click save, of course, the first track should be from Spotify, then at the bottom it will be from YouTube. So there. Uh, I'll just shuffle this one so that you can see. Also, if you save the playlist properly, it should be automatically added to the query here. So what you can do so that you don't have to type the playlist every time you access the app, you can just copy this query or bookmark it, then you can load it anywhere. For example, I'll just load this in a new tab. So there, it will automatically load whatever in this query. So there, 146 songs has been added automatically. So there, you just have to copy this query. Then you should be able to access this as well. Oh, by the way, drag and drop for the playlist is also enabled, so you can rearrange this however you want after it's been shuffled. So there, so you can play the music here already. So there, as you can see, it's playing, and then once the track ends, it should automatically move to the next. For example, here I'm currently on Spotify, then it will automatically play YouTube. So there, it's playing now. And then if this ends, it will go to next. For example, let's try a YouTube going to Spotify. So once this media ends, it should automatically go to Spotify. And there, it's playing right now. So that's my app. If you ever encounter any problems, for example, Spotify audio not loading, not playing, you can just try refreshing the page. I'm trying to fix a lot of bugs from the app, but that's what you should do if you encounter any of the errors. If you want to check the source code, this is completely open source and free for you to use. It's The link to my GitHub is also here at the top of the page. There, if you saw any issues, you can also submit an issue here so that we can fix the app so that we all can enjoy this app better. And also, by the way, I've also made this app mobile responsive. For example, I make this mobile, so this is what it looks like for mobile. So that's all, I think. Thank you for checking out my app again. I hope you enjoy. That's all for me. You can check the links that I uh, said earlier in the description. I'll be posting everything there. Okay.